Is your AC unit blowing air but the air isn't cold? This might be the fix for you. Let me show you how I fixed it for $20.
Hey guys, is your AC compressor not turning on? This might be the solution for you. This $20 fix saved me hundreds of dollars in a repair if I would have called the AC repair people. So stick around, I'll show you how I did it. I am not a trained electrician or AC repair tech. It's a $20 part from Amazon. Be sure to check out the link if you need it. And this is for a this is for a carrier AC unit. Outside unit wasn't turning on. On my Honeywell thermostat, it kept flashing cool on, COOLON, so cool on. Some of the other videos recommend that you turn the unit off for 30 minutes to an hour. You check to make sure the lines outside aren't iced up, and I have had that happen before. Another thing to check is your disconnect fuses. I actually replaced those. They were pretty old, but that wasn't the issue. None of those things fixed it. Here's the capacitor I replaced. You can see how it's bubbled up. It's swollen. This is flat on the new replacement. Here's the part number for it. You can just type in this part number, the 27L880, on Amazon, and they send you a replacement. It's a different brand replacement, but it's got the same spade setup, so you're not having to change any wires. Before you do anything, take a picture and or a video of how your existing capacitor is connected to your unit. So the big thing I found for safety was I turned off the AC unit. I had a disconnect switch in the closet where the AC heating unit is, and I also took out my disconnect fuses on the outside. I then used this voltage tester to make sure the circuit was still dead and there was no electricity. Then using a screwdriver, while this was on the unit, on the AC unit, and everything was disconnected, all the power was off, I touched this spade to spade. So there's 3 different sets of spades. I touched it to discharge the capacitor. I'm not a trained electrician. Do this at your own risk. What works for me might not work for you. So that discharged it. Then I pulled off the spades with my fingers, and those wires came off very easily. And I'll show you how we replaced it.
I start off by removing the fuses for the disconnect that feeds electricity to the AC unit outside.
Hey guys, I hope you found this useful. For me, spending $300 or $400 for an AC repair person to do this for me is a lot of money. So I just fixed it by spending $20 on Amazon. I learned a lot. The next project is probably going to be to replace the blower motor. My unit is 18 years old. The AC repair shop keeps trying to sell me services. So I'm going to try to do that one myself. It looks pretty easy. It's just a blower motor. The inside blower motor also needs replaced. I'm not sure if I'm going to tackle that or not. So please drop me a comment below. Like the video. I appreciate you watching. I hope this helped you out.